You do not have to put it all the way by your eyebrow. I'm tired of seeing people cover their entire forehead when you do not have any hair on your forehead. You have hair here. You need to cover your hair, not your face and forehead. Anyway, take the Durag video. I'm going to teach you point blank, simple, and very quick and efficiently how to tie your Durag. To all my waivers out there, anybody that likes Durags. Okay, anyway. First and foremost, I want to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, and I want to thank you all for tuning in. Without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Alright, you want to take the Durag and put it right here. Now that we have it wrapped around, you're going to grab one strap and bite the other. Okay, now that we're in the back, we're not going to tie it. We're going to hold this string right here, then take the other string and wrap it over this string right here. Now that we have it here, all we're going to do is take this string and tuck. This is called the no knot method. You see no knot in the back of my neck. Now that it's tied, let's pull down this back strap right here. This will add compression to your crown right here, so the waves on top can lay flat. Now that we have it compressed and laid down, let's take this flap and roll it up, then tie it. And that is how you tie a Durag. See that? Nice, good. You know, nothing too major. Hope always does. There you go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for watching today's video. If you like today's video, please consider like, comment, and subscribing down below for more content. First and foremost, I want to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, and I want to thank you all for tuning in. Until next video, y'all stay blessed. God bless.